What's up, my Ruckus builders? If you're at this video, you're probably wanting a front end kit. Through the years of building custom Ruckuses, we generally would buy like a Ruckus front end kit. You know, it's got the lower shocks, the brake caliper, the disc brake, the master cylinder, everything that you would need to do a disc brake conversion and a hydraulic front end on your Honda Ruckus. Although, through the years, you know, buying this kit and that kit and these kits, we've never really been happy with the parts and pieces that come in the kit. Some of them are really nice, but they're within the kit. You feel like you wasted your money because there's some things in there that you would never use, and there's some things that you would upgrade. I took all those little factors, price, quality, and usability, and put it all into this kit. And let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this low-down shock is about 2 inches shorter than the NCY shock. It's shorter here, right in the lower leg. That's included is, this is actually NCY. This is an NCY axle. So that's nice, and then it comes with the fender mounts. The one thing that NCY does not come with that we added was the left brake handle billet to match the master cylinder right side brake handle. This is a really nice one compared to the NCY. It's all billet. We continued the trend with a start button. You can just wire it in. It's 2 wires. The other thing that the NCY does not come with, that ours comes in with, is a left hand control. So left blinker, right blinker, high and low beam, and horn. You'll have to wire that in. We also added a brake sensor to the left brake, so that'd be the rear brake. Again, it comes with both front and rear brake perches where the NCY does not. We have a 4-piston caliper, really nice caliper, with the adapter bracket, billet aluminum, that mounts just like that. Comes with all the hardware. We also have the steel braided brake line. The other thing that's kind of nice that we included, it's an upgrade from the NCY. This is a 220 millimeter disc brake, where the NCY is a 200 millimeter. And it's also wave cut, if you notice. It's a wave cut rotor, so that really helps with stopping power. And it also comes, of course, with, you know, the banjo fittings for the top and the bottom, and some really nice hardware for mounting the disc. That just plops in here just like that. So this is our little kit. It's the same price as the NCY. It comes with a lot more, and it's better. So check it out at rollingwrenchdenver.com. Like I said, if you prefer the NCY kit, we have that as well.